channel. In this piano tutorial I'm going to do a lesson on how to play Lost Without You by Freya Ridings. So this entire piece is only made up of two different sections, which makes up the entire song. So like all my videos, I've linked the full song chord lyric structure in the description below so you can piece the song together and play along. So the song starts with the verse, which is also the same chord progression for the chorus as well. So there's just 4 chords. So the first one is F sharp major. So if we locate where middle C is, which is this pitch, if you locate where that is on your piano, the F sharp major we're going to start with is the first F sharp above middle C. So the notes in that chord is F sharp, A sharp and C sharp. So it holds that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going down to C sharp major, which is C sharp, F and G sharp. Also 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just going down to G sharp minor, which is G sharp, B and D sharp. These 3 notes here. And that's held for 4 beats as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have what's called a B9 chord. So in the right hand, we're just going to play D sharp, F sharp and C sharp, but then the left hand will play the B with that, but we'll get to that in a minute. And that's held for 4 beats as well. And then that chord progression pretty much just repeats throughout the majority of the song. So let's try that from the beginning. So F sharp major, 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp major, 1, 2, 3, 4. G sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand is just playing the root notes of all of those chords. So it's going F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and then B. So let's have a go at playing that together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So in the first verse, the chords are just sustained every bar. However, in the second verse, they're played a bit more often. Same chord progression is moving down even lower. So I'm going to move my camera down. So it's moving from below middle C. So here's middle C, and then it's starting from the F sharp below that one this time. So it's going and then down to C sharp major, and then back up again to G sharp minor, and then back down to B9. And then it starts again. So that is the verse done. So the chords are the exact same for the chorus, however it's played much higher. Right up there. Here's middle C again. So it's the next C up from that one, and then it's the F sharp above that one, there. So you're just going to do the exact same thing, but everything has moved up an octave. However, in the left hand, I'm going to change the direction of these notes slightly. So I'm going to start with my little finger on F sharp, my second finger on C sharp, my fourth finger on G sharp, and then my third finger on B. So let's try playing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rhythmic chord pattern for the first part of the chorus is going like this. And on the second one it spreads that chord, and then it just sustains the chords for the last half of the chorus. So the last section to look at then, which makes up the middle 8 section and then the last chorus, is almost exactly the same. However, the G sharp minor has been turned into a G sharp major. So it's to make the song feel as though it's lifted. G sharp major is G sharp, C, and D sharp. So you're just changing from the B to a C there. So in this middle 8 section, she's playing lower down again. And that same pattern again, and then down to C sharp, then up to G sharp major, and then just before we go into the B9, she's walking the left hand up to the B. So we'll go from that G sharp major again, and then the piece ends the exact same way as the chorus is. So right up here with that rhythmic pattern, and then back to the G sharp minor again. So that concludes all the sections needed to play this song. Again, please see the description below for the full lyric chord song structure so you can piece it together. Please like this video and subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more piano tutorials like these. I look forward to talking with you all in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!